Hello and welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the vehicle inspection indicator of a BMW X1. As you know, most European countries have yearly annual vehicle inspections for cars. I'm going to show you how you can reset this for a BMW X1 2018 model. When you turn the ignition on or press the ignition on, there is a menu. It says over here, service due since June 2022, and I'm going to show you how you can reset that to the desired date. To reset that, we have to go to the multimedia area over here. You can change the menus of the multimedia area with these buttons over here. First of all, press the menu button, and this is a scroll button. Scroll menu button. Go by scrolling to my vehicle. Press the wheel button. Go to vehicle status. Over here you have check control, service requirements, and as you can see, this one is in red. Press the wheel button and you'll see that, press the wheel button again and you'll see that you can change it by the month or by the year. I'm going to change it to 24 like this. Go back and you'll see that the indicator isn't in red anymore. We're going to check if the indicator on the dashboard comes back. Yes. Switch ignition off, ignition back on, wait for it. As you can see, the next service due isn't in red anymore, but in neutral color, and due to 2024, so in 1 year. I want to thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for your time and hope to see you next time with another video. Thank you. Bye bye.